Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be applying an underglaze with a sponge, covering it up with a wax resist, and after that I will be dipping it into a regular glaze. For applying the underglaze, I'm using a cleaning sponge. It has a nice firm side to it, which gives it some support. And we also have a permanent marker and a utility knife. And we'll start drawing in our trees with our marker. Next, we'll cut out the trees with the utility knife, and we will tear away the extra material that we don't need. For this underglaze, I'm going to be using leaf green satin underglaze. Now use your sponge to apply the underglaze. Let's try some on this pot. Now we're going to use a rocket red underglaze for the decorations on our trees. Next, we clean off our sponge with water and we prepare to use for the wax resist. Now we will be covering up the area that we've already applied underglaze with the wax resist. This will prevent the glaze that we will dip from covering up the underglaze. Now our pots are ready to be glazed. Now let's go to the Art Center to use the community pottery room. Here we will dip the base of our pots in paraffin wax, and that'll protect them for when they go into the kiln. And we have lots of glazes to choose from. For these pots, I'm going to try false creep, Chino. I use a blow dryer to blow off the excess glaze so that I get a nice crisp line between the underglaze and the final glaze. We have a nice definition between the two different types of glazes. Now I wipe off the bottom of the pots and get them ready to go into the kiln. I'll leave the pots here on the shelf for when the studio technician will do another firing. And here's a few pictures of the pottery room. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.